This is my baby cockatiels. They were born March 6th. They're got most of their feathers now. As you can see, the little gray one, speckled one, doesn't have any. The feathers aren't fully developed in the back. The mother and father of the birds, the mother is pure white, and the father is the color of the little white baby, but it has gray wings. So I don't know how this little baby came out speckled. Must be in the bloodline. The little white one has the albino eyes, and the little gray one has dark eyes. They're kind of scared, and they'll make a little hissing noise at you. As you can see, they sound like little baby hawks.